What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Jasmy, which has been gaining a decent amount of value over the last couple of days. As you can see here, huge green candlesticks only mean one thing: gains upon gains upon gains. So as you can see, 10% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 0.003623. Again, 10% gain may not seem like a lot, but guys, when it comes to Jasmy, it has been down for quite a while and it has finally decided to pump up in value over the last 2-3 days. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it? Is it going to break out soon? Because that's what it looks like. As you can see, looking at the 7 days chart, it's been going up in value quite a bit, guys. So is it too late to buy? Is it time to sell it on a profit, or should you just hold on to it before it goes even higher than what it's worth at the moment? We're going to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view, and looking at its prediction for 2023. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit? Can it hit the 1 cent target over the next 6 to 8 weeks as well? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. We can see the market is up just about 1.42% in the last 24 hours. Nothing too crazy, and we've got Jasmy, the third top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Coinbase. So as you can see, in the last hour itself, it has more or less fluctuated. It's only an hour graph anyway, it doesn't really matter. Over the last day, nearly 10% up. Over the week, 17% up, guys. We can see it dropping in value for the first half of the week, and second half it's been gaining a good amount of value. And over the month, it is still down 16%, but it's on its way to head towards the green side of minus 16%. So over the next 2 to 3 weeks, we should essentially see this number turn into a positive on the monthly chart. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by 106% in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely insane, making it $124 million in trading, which is very good, guys. So a lot of people are investing and trading Jasmy right now. A lot of sellers, a lot of buyers, and in general, just a lot of people trading, as it has been getting a decent amount of attention over the last couple of days due to its increase in value. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. We can't really use the Fibonacci scale on the Jasmy chart. I'll explain that later on, but we'll hide this for now and we'll bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Jasmy at 0.003161 here in purple. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value here in red at 0.003627, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer as usual, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, do expect it to drop in value. Again, nothing major. It's not going to be a major drop or anything like that. It is going to be very minimal, and the only reason why we're seeing negative directions is because of the major increase that's taken place. And I've always mentioned this in most of my videos. Whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, it has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Jasmy. So do expect a very small drop in value, potentially dropping down to about not even 0.0034, just above that, somewhere around here. 0.0035 is where I'm expecting it to drop to, but again, it's not going to be anything major, so yeah, nothing to worry about at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, now we do have the blue line slightly heading towards the bearish direction, looking a little bit negative, and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So an overall fluctuation in value is what we should expect over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, we should expect Jasmy to more or less trade at its current price range, even though over the coming 24 to 48 hours, I'm expecting more increases in value on Jasmy for hitting 0.0038 to 0.0039 is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at over the next 24 to 48 hours. But again, very likely that towards the end of the week it's likely to drop a little bit in value, trading at around its current price range. It's not going to be exactly that, but somewhere around that price target. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking much more bullish, much more positive. We do have the blue and the orange line both going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning an overall increase in value is what we should expect over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about mid to late February 2023, we should expect Jasmy to be trading around the 0.005 cents target is where I'm expecting it to head towards. But again, this may change according to any new updates, new news that come across on Jasmy, but especially the crypto market. If it goes for a major bull run or a major crash, these things will have a major impact, not just on the value of Jasmy, but the crypto market in general. And anything like that, I will try and keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But as I mentioned earlier on in the video, there isn't much we can do when it comes to Jasmy because we are in the lowest part of the red zone. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit $1.19. And for us to go from not even half a cent to $1.19, it's going to require us to go for a major increase in value, a major percentage increase, over thousands and thousands of percentage increases required for us to hit that. Not really going to do the maths right now, but yeah, that is not expected until at least about the next 3, 4, 5 years. I'm not expecting Jasmy to head into the green zone. So yeah, that's why it's useless when it comes to Jasmy to do technical analysis using the Fibonacci scale, because it all started at $5.01, as you can see here, when it initially started back in 2021, just about 2 years ago. And then yeah, it literally just crashed, dropped all the way down to half a cent right now. So yeah, no point doing that. So I'm just gonna get rid of that. And yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Jasmy. So far, it has been good 2023. I know it's only been 2 days anyway, but the crypto market has been performing quite well. And as you can see, everything here on the side is green, which is a good sign. But hopefully, we can keep up with that for the rest of the year. And hopefully, more green candles, more pumps, and hopefully more all-time highs as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Comment down below your predictions and your takes on Jasmy. By the end of the year, what is the highest figure this crypto can hit? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.